This video just might help save your needlepoint custom weave. Pay close attention.
Hey, it's Dave with Regal Fabric here. We're located in the Boston area, and I'm going to do this brief video to show you if you have something similar to this. This is a needlepoint rug made by one of our relatives of one of our customers in the Boston area, and they asked us to clean this. Now, I want to give you some tips today about how to proceed. So you're going to see these white terry towels throughout. What we've done here, if we've taken the detergent we plan on using to clean this, you can, as the camera scans, you can see the soiling on this rug, all over here, all over here. We're going to try to remove all that, but the key is obviously to remove it safely. So these terry towels were dampened with the detergent we plan on cleaning this rug with. They were placed on top of these deep, rich colors for 24 hours with a weight. We peel it back and we look for dye transfer. You can see on this terry, there is some red that came from this color right here. And as we move down to this purple color and this navy blue outside, there really wasn't any color transfer, which is a great sign. All the way down the end, you'll see these reds, and boy, did they like to bleed. And again, this was a 24-hour test. When we clean these rugs, from the time they get wet until they're completely dry, maybe 4 to 6 hours. So what we do is we take into account what the dye test shows us, and if necessary, if we think it is a propensity for all the colors to bleed, we can add, before the cleaning, a mordant to the rug to help lock those colors, those dyes, into the wool fibers. All of the fibers, all the colors you see, including this base color, are all wool fibers. And it's important that those mordants be put in so when you wash it, it doesn't bleed, because that can be a big mess, and sometimes if the colors do bleed, it might not be correctable. So what should you use at home if you're going to try to do your own spot cleaning or maybe even clean the whole rug? Well, look over here. These are 3 products that I would suggest you not use. Anything with the word oxy in it can be dangerous on natural fibers. It can bleach out the color real quick and damage the fibers. So if you have no experience with any of these products, anything with oxy, please don't use it. Woolite for clothing is a great product. When you mix it according to directions into a bucket, you would gently use something like this. This is a horsehair brush, very gentle. And you might just agitate a spot. If you were trying to remove this, you would scoop up some of the foam from the mixture of the woolite and water and gently rub it like that. Then what you can do, you can use white vinegar and water in a spray bottle, a 1-to-1 ratio solution of white vinegar and warm water. You could spray it and then blot with a cloth. And what that's helping to do is to rinse the woolite and the dirt out of the rug. We have other videos, I'll put links below, about how to do an actual cleaning, whether it's a pet issue or something like chewing gum, wax, or just overall soiling. But again, stay away from the harsh detergents, anything with the word oxy in it. Use the woolite and the white vinegar, they're safe. But above all, whatever you plan on using, test for color fastness overnight. Any questions or comments, we'd love to hear from you. Please leave them below. And don't forget, hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos like this. And that little bell that you see next to the subscribe button, you'll be notified when the next videos come up. Thanks again for watching. Look forward to seeing you online.
Have an idea for another video you'd like us to help you with? Leave it below. Thanks again.